What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tactical Black Guy here, also known as Preston. I appreciate you guys joining for another video. Today I'm going to be doing a really quick unboxing of the Smith & Wesson M&P 380 Shield EZ. Now I picked this up for $296. That was the sale price. I got a $50 rebate that I'm going to mail in to Smith & Wesson, which brings the price down to $246. And in addition to that, I got a $50 gift card when I purchased this gun to be used for another purchase at Academy Sports. So here's what you get in a box. You get the manual. You get more manuals. You get a little Allen wrench to adjust your sights. You get the gun itself. You get an extra magazine. And you get a lock. So that's everything contained in the cardboard box. Let's talk about the star of the show here, the Smith & Wesson M&P 380 Shield EZ. Of course, this is a 380 caliber, 380 auto. The capacity is 8+1, and like I said, you do get two 8-round magazines. The barrel length is 3.675 inches. Overall length is 6.7 inches. You got your standard white dot sights. They can be adjusted for windage. In the full review, I'll show you how to adjust those rear sights. This is an internal hammer fire gun. The grip is polymer. The weight is 18.5 ounces. The barrel is stainless steel, and the slide is also stainless steel, and both of them have Armor-Lite finishes. And this is going to be a good gun for people that are beginners. It's good for concealed carry. It's very light, making it pretty easy to carry. So in the full review, I'll go over all of the specifications, and we'll talk about my experiences shooting it and what I recommend it. Again, good price on this, $246. If you guys got any questions, let me know. I'm Tactical Black Guy. I'm out. Peace.